Welcome to the instruction video for the new TimeEdit reserve page. In a few steps, we will guide you through the basics. Use this link to open the application. Click on Students to go the schedule and then click Authenticate with SIAML2 Surf Connect. You may see an additional confirmation page the first time you log in. Click on Book a Project Room. There are multiple search options to find the hall you need. For example, you can search by the name of the hall, room capacity, building, or a combination of these things. Select the day you want to reserve a hall or switch to search for a time slot within a week. Click on the day and hall where you want to make a reservation and choose a time slot. Fill in the title and the number of persons, and you can make the reservation. A booking confirmation will appear. If you like, you can send an email to yourself or to someone else. You can click on a reservation you've made to see the details. Click Edit/Cancel the reservation to make changes to the time, to select a different hall, or to add extra information. You can also cancel the reservation from here. You can copy a previously made reservation and edit each individual copy afterwards. At the bottom of your screen, you will see your reservations and recent cancellations. You can click on a reservation in the list to see the details. Your reservations can also be shown in a list mode by clicking Text on the bottom right. You can switch back to graphical view by clicking the same link. Click back to go to the search page again.